From last year, average sales increased by 3.3%. The average price increased by a whopping 21.7%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 811 units. The average price, $1,039,407. The average selling price versus list price was 108%, and the average days on market was 13 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 821 units. The average price, $1,140,140. The average selling price versus list price was 110%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 314 units. The average price, $1,599,365. The average selling price versus list price was 106%, and the average days on market was 11 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 193 units. The average price, $1,205,412. The average selling price versus list price was 110%, and the average days on market was 8 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 224 units. The average price, $1,150,549. The average selling price versus list price was 109%, and the average days on market was 10 days. Thanks for watching this month's market report. If you are planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call, 905-334-5883.